Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on VT markets. If you want to do this, what you can do is search first for the symbol that you want to buy a position on. So let's do, for example, XRP. So we click here on XRP to US dollars, and then right now you will find it right here on the chart. Then right now, if you click here on new order, you can create here a position for yourself. So let's say we want to create ourselves a 0.01 of XRP, and that will bring us 100 XRP. Then what we're going to do is we click on the plus icon, and now we can drag this line to where we want to create ourselves a take profit position, or we can fill it in right there. So let's say we want to take profit at 2. So we filled in right here $2, and this means that when Ripple or XRP will hit the $2 mark, he will take the profit automatically. So when we're not online or not directly checking the chart, he will close the trade automatically. So right now, if you click here on buy market, we created ourselves a position for Ripple. And if we scroll here to our order, you see here at TP, that means take profit, that he will close our trade at $2. So this is in a nutshell how you can take profit right here on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.